Winters in Alberta are beautiful, but can also be challenging, especially for our older adult community. Here are some great tips on how to make this season safer and more enjoyable for older adults in Alberta. Cold weather and spending more time indoors can lead to feelings of isolation. Check in with friends, family, and neighbors regularly, and try to find time to make plans. A quick phone call or video chat can make all the difference. Indoor activities like mall walking, puzzles, baking, crafting, book club, or volunteering can be a great way to spend a cold winter day. If you want to spend time outdoors, snowshoeing, photography, birdwatching, or light cross-country skiing can also help combat isolation. If these personal connections are not helping and you're still feeling lonely, seek out your community or a professional for support. Winter-proof your home. Check windows and doors for drafts, and make sure your heating system is in good working order. Keep extra blankets handy and set your thermostat to a comfortable temperature. It's also important to prepare your vehicle. Store items like blankets, a flashlight and extra batteries, and a first aid kit in your vehicle to be ready in case of an incident. Protect yourself from the cold. Dress in layers, wear a warm hat, gloves, scarf, and sturdy boots when going outside. Avoid going out in extreme weather unless necessary. If you do need to go outside, be aware of your surroundings, particularly icy conditions. Be vigilant for unseen concerns such as uneven ground covered by snow or black ice. Ice cleats and walking poles are excellent tools for preventing slips or falls. When walking on icy sidewalks, make sure you walk slowly and carefully. While it might sound silly, walking like a penguin will keep you steadier. The winter months can be a tough time for anyone, but there are additional risks and concerns for our older adults. By following these simple tips, you can not only protect yourself, but enjoy all the wonderful things the season can bring.